My first jury trial was on board Camp Victory in Baghdad, Iraq. I was 26 years old. I'd been out of law school for about 2 years, been practicing criminal law for just a few months. We litigated the case in the same courtroom in which Saddam Hussein was arraigned. Was it daunting? A little, but it was also incredibly exciting and humbling. The Navy JAG Corps offers those sorts of opportunities throughout the course of an entire career. I served on active duty for a little over 5 years. I've been in the reserves for about a year now. The reserves offers a great opportunity for those who have been on active duty and want to continue their service. A great way to stay in the community and to keep serving our nation. 5 years of active duty, I saw hundreds of clients, helped them with legal matters from family law issues to wills and estates to preparing to deployments, litigated dozens of court-martial cases, advised commanders on a vast array of legal issues, ran my own law office, deployed to Guantanamo Bay, traveled on warships. I don't know how many other lawyers at that stage of their practice could say as much. The Navy JAG Corps is incredibly unique in terms of the opportunities it offers at a very early stage of a person's career. In my civilian practice, we generally take cases that affect larger numbers of people. As a defense counsel, I have an opportunity to take cases that affect individuals, service members, in very real and significant ways. So whether it's helping a service member out of a difficult situation, helping save a career, it matters. And it matters to protect the process, to protect the due process rights that all of us put on these uniforms to protect. JAGs are important for a lot of reasons, and not just for the legal advice they offer. Certainly for individual clients, helping them out of some of the most difficult situations that they face, it's important to those individuals, sailors and Marines, but to commanders as well. We don't just offer legal advice, we offer counsel. I can recall a time when I was a staff judge advocate for a major installation, and the commanding officer of the base, sort of like in the civilian world, would be like a mayor. He's responsible for airports and security and roads and public works and all those sorts of things. And as his JAG, you're his legal advisor, so he trusts you to give him sound legal advice. On one particular issue, I advised the CEO of what the legal issue was, and when I'd finished briefing him, he goes, "Well, John, what do you think? What is it that we should do about this policy?" And so he asked for a recommendation in terms of counsel as well. So I think it's pretty fair to say that every major command in the Navy couldn't operate without their JAGs, and they trust and respect the advice that they receive from judge advocates.